Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Every season, a plant needs a new kind of care. Every plant needs different care in the monsoon season and different care in the winter season as well. So today I will tell you about how to take care of Parijat plant in winter season. Parijat or Harsringar flower plant is adored all over India. Because of its unique flowering routine, this plant only flowers during the night time and sheds all its flower once the sunlight falls over it. This October, there was a lot of rain. That's the reason we didn't get a lot of flower in this Harsringar plant. So during this season, my mom gave some potassium-rich fertilizer. Those are mostly banana peel fertilizer and mustard cake fertilizer. After those fertilizers, we finally got some new flowers. The homemade kitchen waste compost is also a very good fertilizer for the Harsringar plant. Previously, we posted a lot of videos about how to grow Parijat plant at home and how to also take care of Harsringar or Parijat plant. If you wish, you can watch those videos. Once the monsoon has passed and the weather starts to get a bit dry with longer nights, this is the time when the gorgeous flowers of Harsringar start to come into life. The flowering season of the Harsringar or Parijat plant is from August till December. Some of you may notice that the Parijat plant is not flowering for you. Parijat plant not flowering is caused by three main reasons. First is the sunlight. The sunlight you may give is way too much little or way too much. Not feeding it with fertilizer and not watering it properly. Today I will talk about how to take care of a Parijat plant in this winter season after flowering. The Parijat plants become dormancy during the winter season. It means that the plant sleeps in the winter season. That's why after a plant has done flowering, my mom does some pruning on the plants. Parijat flower grows rapidly during summers when it is not flowering and can start growing in one direction and go out of shape. So to give your Parijat plant a better shape, you should prune it properly so you can continue your pruning till the summer season. Now I will answer some frequently asked questions. The first question is, can we grow Parijat or Harsringar plants in pots? The answer is absolute yes. My mom grows the Harsringar plant into a 10 inches pot, but it has some root bound. So after winter in March, my mom will repot it into a 14 inches pot. Delhi has a very cool temperature in winter season, so you must mulch your plant to keep it warm. Mulching means you have to cover your topsoil with dry leaves or straws or even with paper. And after winter, you must remove this mulching. My mom has pruned these stems and I will show you how to propagate these stems into a new plant. First, you have to choose the right cuttings. To get the right cuttings, make sure that the cuttings are at least 6 to 8 inches in size and have 4 to 5 leaves on them. Now cut the bottom part of the cuttings at a 45-degree angle. For the soil, you can use 1 part of the garden soil, 1 part of the vermicompost and 1 part of the river sand. Put the stems into the soil like this. After that, you have to cover these potted cutting with the help of either a plastic bag or a plastic bottle for a greenhouse effect. Then keep it in a shaded area. And after a fortnight, you can see that there are new saplings. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.